species on the planet over the last 100 million years. Sounds like science fiction. Well, it's not. We're actually talking about bees. In this video you will learn how many bees there are on Earth and how much do they weigh, where the largest bee on the planet lives and what it looks like, how bees find their way home, what would happen to humanity if bees disappeared, and finally, what do bees do in winter? Bees. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new videos and see more educational content in your feed.